The dumbbell deadlift is a great exercise for strengthening your glutes, hamstrings, and core. Start with your feet about hip-width apart. Hinge at the hips while keeping your back flat. And you don't have to use just a dumbbell. You can do this with a barbell or a kettlebell. The choice is up to you. Keep the weight close to your body. It should almost be scraping down your legs as you lower and come back up to standing. Return to standing by driving through your feet and squeezing your glutes. Now it's your turn. Keep your shoulders back. Maintain a flat back throughout the movement and move slowly with control. Focus on good technique before adding more weight.